Shish and a meat pie. Those days, see mommy here now, before you see woman breast, those days, women, they wear 5 things for body. Don't wear bra, wear spaghetti, wear corset, come wear boba on top. As the woman find you go ask, you first convince her before you put bra, 5 minutes. Convince her before you put corset, another 5 minutes. Convince her before you put the shimmy. Before you say when you reach where bra day, people don't come back for fun. Couple down they busy. But this Gen Z generation, before they come sleep with you, they go do video. Hi, get ready with me as I go to my boyfriend's house to sleep with him. As you just, oh my God. As you just open the door, see you still nipple.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.
The next man I'm about to call is my beloved brother in whom I am well pleased. He's a pace setter and a pathfinder. Our relationship is not just cordial, it's also sexual. Yes, something happened. No, not my fault, not his fault. So 2010, me and him, McEdopikin, we were in the same apartment, like one room. For Ugbo, back at Edegbe Hostel. Behind that former Eco Bank for Ugbo, Lagos. So him be day my side, so we day sleep in one room. So I began one bad character. If I sleep, I dey naked. So if I don't pick it, they sleeping, they open him out. Well, I began with the way we take the one. We dey sleep like this. So my head and the head, they dey the same place. So again one time we be door high. So we can't sleep reverse. So my pelvic and the mouth all day like this. So I don't begin with a dream one time, say person they follow and drag banana. So as the dream, he can't succeed the banana, I can't put them for mouth, can't the chop am. So when I wake up, because of the first, my level day maths, idiot don't give me blow job. So I be one arrest him because I feel say he defy me. But that period, I can't say sorry for him. Because that period, I be the treat infection. Ladies and gentlemen, the pathfinder of our time, Lagos makes some noise for MC McEdopikin. Fuck that shit up, man.
Give me the West Bay dance. Give me the West Bay dance. I'm the biggie danda. The biggie danda. The biggie danda. Supposed to call him a boss. He might the big danda.
DJ, stop that rubbish. Casino na mumuma. Say I give her blow job. Shall wish your prick big? I for no say no be banana in my mouth. Nonsense guy. Came here, was telling lies in presence of his wife. I lost my ring. Your ring go a full hotel for reception for Lagos. Everything, madam, since your husband called Lagos, now total they stay. If you think are the lie, ask Amaya. Now what for you? My wife won't put me for problem. I just dey come for one all-white party because casino no pay me. That make I go do events. Feel like they don't say your friend they do event, go collect event. Even if Papa bury, I go ask MC another burial. When you reach time to pour sand for grave, na me help am. Casino know they ever they pay. My wife, I don't know these days, I don't know the day they do am. She has been asking me, these 2 boys, we don't go born for them. I say, shh, wait till after election. No win. That even win, 2 boys, they okay so that we can travel light. Because the way this country they go now, everything is all spoiled for this country. Even protection, we cannot even protect ourselves again. Common condom, what they buy for 14 naira, condom is now 4,000. You can't protect yourself again. Condom is expensive. I went to buy condom, say 4,000. I had to buy because I was under duress. I still use the condom still here. I be rough rider. I had to buy. We don't even know where the country is going to, everything. Please, We need assistance. Ross Guest. If you are Ross Guest here, please raise your hand for recognition, please. Say hi. Ross Guest, we need to now bear more than the to talk to our client, politician, where they carry on now. Make them change Nigeria, bear. Talk to your politician. Now they laugh and they talk, now they laugh. Talk to politician, make them change Nigeria. Now, if you talk to politician, you know it means a politician, where carry you, or your body don't stand. As you want to put the thing in, you hold and say, honorable, type Kogi road. And that day you know say they fit type Kogi in 15 minutes. Kogi go dey busy. Go to the whole land, tell us honorable type Kogi road. Now two things they make politicians kneel down. Election and erection. The way this country they go now, everything don't just change. We don't even know where we are going to anymore. I go say not be this 10 or not be Elijah and Moses take come away the Bible. Tinubu for not put them for APC. Even promised land, we for not even see promised land. Before we reach promised land, real estate don't buy them. You got to hear promised land real estate. Now Moses, you got to say how much for 1 acre. Because the way this country, everything don't change. And despite all these things where they happen, guess what kind of things they happen for Nigeria where they make me the vex. I just came out from the bathroom. I came back from London not quite long ago. London, person go the peace for London. Now here you the peace. Now everybody, if person the peace here, the next person the peace here. Nobody they look anybody. I just come out for a cold there. Toilet. Face your peace where you the peace. What's like you go the peace, you go the look another man this day. Peace one peace now. At the peace, one guy just stand here and say, oh this malaria now everywhere. Everybody peace just the yellow this period. Oh, hold on. Place your peace. And if you peace finish for abroad, if you peace finish, you will shake it like this. 1, 2, 3. Everybody knows that the last drop of peace. Now boss I get this guy now, you don't go don't draw map. Everybody know. Which one you know the person then near you? You peace finish, you go to shake the thing like this. See my face, the guy peace, all the malaria. Pack peace for my face. Out of anger, when the guy take pack peace for my face, I come first for the guy. As I look the guy face, now I hold the guy block us. So boy, if you the peace, they look where you if you shake your this thing, they look like they shake your this thing. Now you pack peace for my face. So I hold the guy block us, they talk to the guy for up. Actually, they made the guy for up, they look his face, my hand they swear. My hand they swear. Me no say now gay, me who says. We never say anything. Benin people, when they come show now see the way show they be. Now so they come. I appreciate you guys for coming. Because Benin no they could believe anything, no. Now Benin go they do show, they go hold the show poster, call your show. Any artist where come, they go mark him. Two-Face the DB mark. P-Square mark. One guy do show, all the artists come, they still beat him. They say, what of this last guy? Why he never perform? Now the guy say, which guy? Say this guy where they call and many more. Why are many more never? Man, damn. I know this one what they talk say Nigeria this, Nigeria this. Guys no stand though. Gen Z no stand though. Gen Z what just concern Gen Z and sex. As far as say that they get sex, they don't get problem. And don't let they tell our youth, if only we can keep our blockers, then we can focus, see what they block us. Yeah, so Gen Z like sex. Now only this generation you take and say, do you smoke? Say no. I'll let take shisha. Shisha na small chops. Shisha na meat pie. Those days, see mommy here now, before you see woman breast, those days, women they wear 5 things for body. They wear bra, wear spaghetti, wear corset, come wear boba on top. As the woman find you go ask, you find convince her before you put bra 5 minutes. Convince her before you put corset another 5 minutes. Convince her before you put the shimmy. Before you say when you reach where bra day, people don't come back for fun. Come and down they busy. But this Gen Z generation, before they come sleep with you, they go do video. I get ready with me as I go to my boyfriend's house to sleep with him. As you just, oh my God, as you just open the see you see nipple. Gen Z can do anything. You know my guy, women are very powerful. You know my guy, put this guy for screen. When they break your heart, where God they cry. I'm not gonna remember Robbie Ebu. Robbie Ebu, put the guy for this guy. Women, they dangerous. So the guy they do MC for Nigeria. I don't know say that the MC whole wedding for abroad. That's Robbie Ebu. The guy was crying. They can't say why the guy they cry. Say fine guy like this, who might break your heart. This one fine. And I don't know Chris Oyakilo man. Where they perm hair. Yeah, white and white, they speak in tongue. I love my family and God protect. As they talk for church, I need to the back load for us. Woman feel live Chris Oyakilo man. Now they don't say they break this guy heart. Woman can do anything. Fear woman, and what for you? Now because they say man does not buckle up emotion. I make we need to buckle. Me, I'm not the buckle up emotion again. I make our children they think they will be wicked people. Then they say now let their mothers now they cry. Me now for midnight, I will just wake my 2 children. I'll just bust cry. You say that the one person your mother want to give me. Your mother want to give me. I'll just if my children they watch cartoon, let me just pack my things. I'll just carry my luggage. I'll just go. That's why you going to say your mother drove me away from the house. So that when Omugo reach, they'll say, oh, you remember when mommy used to pursue daddy? Let's go daddy for Omugo. Life now, pray. You need to balance the emotion. Women know what they are doing. Me, I'm not going to give my that chance again. No, I don't tell my wife, I cannot die and leave my wife for better for worse. At the same time, I wanted that. I waited till she they chop, now they chop. Yes, she they sleep, now they sleep. Her monthly trust that they take her. I go die at the age of 102. She go die for 95. Now the news of my death go kill her. Women, very powerful. What women? You, as it is so, woman. You know it's women they bear. People go wear G-string, you go enter inside. They go see the waka way. You small boss away go just enter here. You know the things women they bear. G-string where they end, G-string they reach you. Small boss away go just forget you. You're just like this. Women, you know, now you want to follow do competition. You don't know woman. Now what for you? Man, load where man carry, no they let down the sea road. How many the 2 women where at king join their name this year they almost died. King Mitchell and Toto Dike. One drink hypo, the other one run go church. Only the name now in the answer they almost died. Libido never join they not get libido. One last we say pastor do like this for sure. Man come for. Who carry people load, no the fall. Now who they carry load for, that the fall. Man can never fall. If your guy will fall for church, now you're going to say, Alpha, if you try this again. For man to fall, the pastor pay him. I go lie for you. Man, you know what man be here? What women claim they hate in the afternoon, they love at night. In the afternoon, women claim they hate watching soccer. At night, they play with balls. Now wait at the dish out. I'm not ordinary. Now go clap there. Women, very powerful special. Women, they know they follow that they do competition. Women, now what for you? You know, say women go to talk say that they deal with postpartum depression, that they deal with childbirth, that they deal with taking care of children, that they deal with cooking. Who will be man? Will they deal with the things? With the woman where they deal with those things. Then you know the Lord will carry. Women are powerful. Very, very, very powerful. That's what I mean now. And they're very careful. You understand? Why you say beer parlor the fool? My head full. That may be a parlor fool. If you see where men want to go drink beer, if you see what those women they call themselves, Alpha, hello, Mofe. Your wife does start. Say yes, my wife does start. What of Andrew Vibe? In the end of the day, they wait for us. You don't see where man they complain to not leave it in for beer parlor. What you man do? They go they talk to bottle. I wait him at beer. I may be a cool. I may they call them cold beer. Beer no fi beer. Beer no fi beer. So, ladies and gentlemen, as a man, you need to take care of yourself. No go die, leave anybody. Enjoy yourself. We get many widows, but no widowers. So you need to first take care of yourself first. Look at me here now. At the hustle. Look at me. My wife go to beat my wife and children they sleep. My wife go to beat my children. You go to talk to my children go to cry. They not go do what they say they do. You go say, I will call your father for you. Now me be assassin. Now me sabi beat children. You want me to hate me? I know what they do now. The other day my children they cry. Now I say, I will call your mommy to kill you. She killed your grandmother. Now the children hate two of us. My children just spoil now. Nobody they would beat them again. If you make me vex, I'm born for outside. Children when they born for outside, they can get respect. Other children when they come on the day of burial. The day when they do your burial, other children when they work out, they get respect. As the pikin just come, the first wife will want argue. They'll say, Now the one people for outside be this. As the first one want argue, so kind evil women, they'll say, ew, he carry papa nose. Oh man, I do this and I leave. It's been a while. I like to appreciate everybody. I like to appreciate everybody for their unflinching love and support because we thought it was not possible to come to a hotel. This is the biggest stage of comedy in Nigeria. I did it twice here and my brother is doing it big. Please put your hands together for MC Casino. We are always funny. We came from a place where we say, if you crack joke, it's the way they go laugh, they go swallow one. If you crack joke for Benin boy, you go look at how far. No laugh. The guy they greet you. Benin men know they laugh for joke. And I believe you go the crack joke. First you come and come to say how far. Then DJ made them play music, man one dance. Well, they laugh for you now. Well, they laugh for you now. If I drop intelligent joke here, I go pick up. If I drop intelligent joke, I go back and I go pick up. For Benin, you know if you try now. As you drop intelligent joke, as you go back, then go back. You go they wait, they go they wait. You go laugh, but they know say Nigeria say hey, they say hey, what did they do this one? I said no, let me shut your show down with this one, my brother. Let me shut your show down. Madam, you dey, I dey see your table since. You dey laugh, who bring you come no dey laugh? Tonight you'll see the way you take the laugh. Those who laugh last, when you go to hear hold the silly, better as if you want to vote.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is McEdopikin. Thank you. Good night.
It's just getting started. Hey, hold on.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.